Today, we're exploring Phi Phi Island in Thailand. Join us as we take a private boat tour all throughout the island chain, see some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, snorkel in the beautiful blue water, catch a beautiful sunrise over the bay, and witness the insane nightlife on the island.
We're taking a boat to the resort. Let's go.
Good morning from Phi Phi. Okay, so we are on Phi Phi Island. This morning we got up very early and we took a 2-hour ferry to Phi Phi Island. What do you think of the ferry?
I enjoyed the ride. We were on top, so we left a little bit late, so being in the sun, I'm pretty sure I got a tan. When you get on the island, you need to make sure you have 20 baht per person because they use that to clean up all the trash from the tourism. Now we're just waiting for our room so we can drop off our stuff and then we are going to go on our boat tour.
Okay, we just got to our room, but we don't have time for a room tour right now because we are going to go to our boat tour, which we're not late for, but we're also currently just on time for, so let's get going. Okay.
So we are on our boat tour that I booked through Airbnb Experiences, and it happens that we got it to ourselves. So it's basically a private boat tour for the price of a group setting. Also, this boat tour has no food, and he doesn't talk and explain things, but that's okay because honestly, we just want to see.
I also forgot to mention, the boat that we're on is called a longtail. These wooden boats with this tip at the end, kind of interesting. They're kind of cool and vintage looking. Motors that are just have super long rods that stick in and the propeller just goes. Very bumpy. Okay, so we just passed Viking Cave, but you can't go inside of it. So now we're at our first stop, which is Big Lagoon. It is this huge, big lagoon. It's all like the one in the Philippines.
It has limestone all over it, and it is beautiful.
We're gonna get in the water and explore around.
We are swimming in Big Lagoon, and the water is okay. Usually I'm very used to warm waters, but it's been so hot that actually this feels really relaxing.
I do not think there are any reefs or anything here. Big Lagoon is just a lagoon. There's not really anything. It's just kind of a rocky, sort of sandy, muddy bottom. It is really pretty, but there's a lot of people here. So hopefully when we go snorkeling, we'll see a little bit less people. Okay, so we're just sitting here and it looks like some rain is coming in. So we're just chilling out and eating tamarind candy. With tamarind candy, it's just a fruit. It's chewy. This is spiced. That is definitely rain behind us. Okay, so we are currently at the pier for Maya Beach. It is a lot of people, and it's also raining. Even if you didn't want to swim, I guess you're swimming today. We are soaked.
Maya Bay. And honestly, as you saw the footage before, it was pouring rain, and that's nice, but it blew the people out.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't bring my camera, but I'm also sad because now the rain's gone and I don't have my camera with me. One of the prettiest beaches I've ever seen. It's just, the sand is just pure white, so smooth. I've never seen anything like this.
Okay, so we just left Maya Bay, and Maya Bay is really beautiful, and I understand the hype, but honestly, you only go there to take pictures.
Yeah.
And now we are preparing to go snorkeling, so let's go.
All right. Very interesting place. It's kind of abandoned feeling. Feels like you're not necessarily supposed to go here. Also, it's kind of hard to get up here because of the tide. All right, well, the water is, you know, not the cleanest ever. It's still pretty clear, but it's not as clean as El Nido. There's these little things that are stinging me in the water, and it hurts.
Michael's not cool, but that's okay. I still like him anyway.
You only like me?
I still love him anyway.
Wow, that's inspiring. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go see more fish. All right, we just got done snorkeling. What did you think?
It was fun. I saw some fish that I haven't seen before, so that was really cool. But when we went to the Philippines, it was much clearer, but also I'm glad to have, you know, a different experience here as well.
I think we were supposed to go to Monkey Beach or something, which is just a beach with monkeys, right?
Yeah, but we might not. I have no idea. This is basically like a tour taxi service, and we're the only two people, but hey, it's cheap, and we get what we want, so I'm not complaining where we go and where we don't go.
We are just gonna chill out here and watch the sunset.
We are at Papaya. Papaya is a Thai and Indian restaurant. We are in Phi Phi. There's not going to be really authentic Thai food here, but they have authentic foreign restaurants, and here has really good reviews.
So if you didn't already know, Phi Phi is a party island. The reason there's not a lot of good Thai food is because most of the people coming here are tourists. There's a lot of bars on the island, and these two are the most famous, Slinky and Freedom Bar. As you can see, it is a party all night long. The entire time we were there, they had guys out playing with fire, throwing fire sticks, doing all sorts of crazy stuff. It is a bit of a gimmick, but I mean, come on, it is really, really cool. But the music was insanely loud, and everything kind of smelled like gasoline. So if you're into the party scene, then this is definitely the place to come on Phi Phi. We don't mind it, but honestly, we were so exhausted from being out in the sun all day and swimming for half the day that we just did not have energy to stick around for long. There was all sorts of crazy stuff, people jumping over fire jump ropes and doing fire limbo. But we just got a few drinks, enjoyed the interesting sights, and then we got out of there. Okay, so we just walked and hiked for an hour from our resort. to Phi Phi viewpoint number 3. And where it led us is this like shack that is, it's falling apart. We're both very tired. I think I'm more tired from yesterday. We were going to go to viewpoint 2, but we realized that there's no way to see the sunrise from that side of the mountain, so we went to 3 instead because that does overlook the water. Although all of the images on both of them are from lots of different places. Some are from the actual viewpoints, some are from completely different places, so I don't trust Google Maps very much. Well, we were at viewpoint 3, and it's very confusing. There are several buildings and like businesses that say they're viewpoint 3, and they're really just the same one that we're at right now, but there wasn't really any formal way to see the sunrise over the water. I took the drone up, but it's just too misty for the drone right now. So we came to viewpoint 2, which is a lot nicer. And the sun's coming up over the mountain, so it's really pretty and the bay is beautiful.
Okay, so we are now walking back from viewpoint 2. Honestly, it was really beautiful.
Yeah.
And we kind of got to see the sunrise. Anyway, right now we're gonna enjoy our 45-minute walk back to the resort to get some breakfast.
Yeah.
We hungry.
It's time for some free brekkie. Oh, and there's a cat here serving breakfast. Alright, so unfortunately we have to check out. Yes, that's right, we were only here for one night. It's expensive to stay here, and also, you know, the island's really small. We did the boat tour, which is why we're here. Got to see the viewpoint, ate some good food. It is New Year's Eve, and we still have a packed day, but before we go, I want to show you a quick room tour because this is actually a really nice resort. Okay, so you come in the front door. Cute girl on the bed, as always. Why are you laying like that? Huge window letting in a ton of natural light. Then on the left is a TV that we did not use and never will. Little vanity area over here with a cool little stool. But yeah, just the vibe in here, all the natural light, every single window just surrounded by greenery. It's super nice.
I'm kind of a little bittersweet that we didn't get to stay in it as long as we wanted to because we were so tired, but honestly, it was perfect.
Checkout was at 11, but our ferry isn't until 3. They have free transfers until I think 2 p.m. So we were just hanging out at a bar. We got some cocktails.
I hope you enjoyed our video to Phi Phi. We're back to the mainland with pets.
This is it. Bye resort, bye ocean. We will catch you later.